Guide to the 457B to Gold IRA Rollover. Planning for retirement often means looking beyond traditional investments. One option many consider is moving funds from a 457B plan into a Gold IRA. This guide to the 457B to Gold IRA Rollover explains the basics in a clear and simple way. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a 457B plan? A 457B is a retirement plan mainly for government and some non-profit employees. It allows you to save part of your salary before taxes, grow your savings tax-deferred, withdraw funds later, usually in retirement. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a type of retirement account that lets you invest in physical gold and other precious metals instead of just stocks or bonds. It is often used to diversify a portfolio, protect against inflation, add a tangible asset to retirement savings. How to do a 457B to Gold IRA rollover. 1. Check eligibility. Make sure your 457B plan allows rollovers. This usually happens after leaving your job or reaching a certain age. 2. Choose a custodian. You need a specialized IRA custodian who handles precious metals. They will manage the account and ensure compliance with rules. 3. Open a Gold IRA account. Set up your new account before moving funds. This helps avoid delays or penalties. 4. Transfer the funds. Request a direct rollover from your 457B provider to your Gold IRA. A direct transfer helps you avoid taxes and penalties. 5. Select your gold investments. Work with your custodian to choose approved gold products, such as bullion or coins. Key benefits: tax advantages, maintain tax-deferred growth. Diversification, reduce reliance on traditional markets. Stability, gold can act as a hedge during economic uncertainty. Following this guide to the 457B to Gold IRA rollover can help you make a smooth transition into a more diversified retirement strategy. With careful planning and the right custodian, you can add the long-term stability of gold to your financial future while preserving the benefits of your retirement savings. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.